This is an introduction to the Black Brant VC rocket kit. Now, the Black Brant is actually a real rocket used by NASA. It's a sounding rocket, and they fly it from Wallops Island in Virginia. But the rocket itself is actually made in Canada. This is a smaller scale replica of that rocket. So it's a scale model. It's 30 millimeters in diameter, so it's an odd size. As you can see, it's a nice size rocket. It flies on 18 millimeter diameter motors, so you can fly with B's, C's, and D's. And it has a lot of detail on it, like the launch rails on the side, the detail down here at the bottom, and some great decals on top. It has a 15-inch plastic parachute, and it flies straight and true. The VC is actually version 5, revision C, which is what that VC stands for in the end. So again, this is a scale model of the Black Brant. You'll find it here at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.